if you're looking to log into your United Healthcare Medicare account on MYUHC.com, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can access your account with ease. First, open your web browser. This can be Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Next, type in the URL MYUHC.com. This will take you to the MYUHC login page. On the login page, you'll see field for username and password. If you don't have it, you can click on register to set one up. Here in the register field, you need to enter your email address and password in the second field. Make sure it's accurate to avoid any login issue. Once you've entered your username and password, click on login. This will direct you to your account dashboard where you can manage your Medicare benefits, view claims, and more. If your account is locked due to multiple unsuccessful login attempts, you may need to contact United Healthcare's customer support for assistance. They'll help you unlock your account and regain access. And that's it, you've successfully logged into your United Healthcare Medicare account.